Hi everyone, I am Sebi Joseph. Actually, I am from Kerala, Kochi. I joined this digital health program of IIM actually 1 year back, and I am almost on to the end. And it is a super course that is going on online, and I recommend almost all health professionals to have this course done. And I am into this 3 day immersion program started yesterday, and it will be ending tomorrow. It's a super immersion program where we can meet our director Rajendra Prasad sir and all the excellent speakers all around. And it's actually I was into the virtual program, and the first time I am meeting all these persons physically, and I am much enthusiastic in this immersion program.